Onyxcoin have eventually successfully invalidated this bearish order block. So in our next video, we are going to be presenting a new chart. But in this video, we're going to be talking about the amount of Onyxcoin you need to hold at this current price in order to be a millionaire in a full-blown altcoin season. If you're paying attention, the current market cap is seated at $650 million. A lot of people are still having doubts that XCN can get to $1. It can, but the calculation we are going to be doing in this video, you don't need XCN coin to even get to $1 before making $1 million from XCN coin. Now, the verified circulating supply by CoinMarketCap is seated at 34.2 billion XCN coin. Let's assume you are buying $20,000 worth of XCN coin at this current price. You are going to be getting 1,113,857 XCN token. Now, by the time XCN coin gets to 9 cents, which is 0.92, we should be expecting $1 million on our $20,000 investment. And let's even head to the calculator real quick. Now, the current market cap of XCN is seated at, let's check the market cap out real quick. The current market cap is seated at $615 million. Now, if you are typing $615 million, $650 million multiplied by 50x, which is 5,000%, which is very, very possible. We should be expecting a $30 billion market cap for XCN coin. Now, that is to say the price of XCN doesn't even need to get to $1 before you'll be able to make your $1 million from XCN. And by the time it gets to that $30 billion, technically $30,750 million a market cap, by the time it gets to that price, we should be expecting a price of XCN of around 0.92. That is 9 cents you get. And yeah, 92 cents, right? Yeah, 92 cents technically. So that's that for that. And like I said on the chart, we have successfully invalidated this bearish order block. We now need to flip this bearish order block into a support, which we've already done. So sooner or later, we should begin to see XCN tap into the 2 cent zone, which is 0.02. You get, it is like very, very possible. So we are going to tap into the 2 cent zone very soon. I think the 2 cent zone is likely to be a retracement area. By the time we retrace a little bit, I think back to around 0.018, reverse from there, we should begin to like get a massive moonshot to the upside on the price of XCN. So your $20,000, by the time XCN coin gets to $30 billion in market cap, your $20,000 should be worth over $1 million by then. If you're here to like this video, please smash the like button, destroy the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you guys are paying attention to the BTC dominance on the weekly time frame, we are currently left with 6 days and 15 hours until this current weekly candle closes. Now, we are currently getting a bounce from the zone I told you guys we were going to like retrace to. Now, we've flipped that zone into a support. If care is not taken, we might see the BTC dominance continue to pump to around maybe 65.23%. But I think that pump is not going to be significant enough to like send the entire altcoin market dipping again, you get. So sooner or later, we should lose this support zone, break below it, flip it into a resistance, and then begin aggressively dumping to the downside. I think I'm expecting a first profit target of around a first retracement target of around 61.89% on the BTC dominance. By the time that is happening, altcoin market are going to explode harder. The rotation season is coming. The period where BTC, like liquidity will start flowing from BTC into high cap altcoins. So you guys need to hold your altcoins very, very well. By the time the liquidity rotation begins, the top 100 cryptocurrencies in the crypto space are the one going to get the first set of liquidity rotation and also external liquidity injection. So when those ones are done moving, then we can start expecting low cap coin to like rally aggressively to the upside. Now, if you're paying attention to the current orders chart, the orders chart is now like following the same footstep, the same pattern this one left behind. Previously, when this pattern was formed, that was in 2024, several months ago, when the pattern was formed, we broke above it, flipped it into a support, and then got a massive rally in over 5 weeks to the upside, which over $260 billion was added to the market. I'm talking about the orders chart market. Now, this is the orders chart excluding top 10 cryptocurrencies in the crypto space. Now, same pattern flipped and also flashed in 2025. Now, we broke above it as usual, just like we did in 2024, flipped it into a support, and we have now successfully closed a massive guard candle on the weekly time frame. Now, this next week candle has also opened bullishly, even above the previous bullish weekly candle we closed. We are currently at $281 billion for the orders chart market cap. I think soon the rally is going to take out this previous high around $491 billion, which was the previous high of the last market cycle, November 2023. Considering the alignment with the altcoin season, I think considering the alignment with the altcoin season and the BTC dominance drop, by the time the BTC dominance start dropping, start retracing aggressively, and you see the BTC price pumping aggressively to the upside, then just know altcoins are going to be in a parabolic move, parabolic phase by then. So I think the orders chart is going to align with the BTC dominance drop and also the alt season this time around. And if that is happening, then the move for the orders chart is going to be like diabolical this time around. It's going to be mind-blowing. We might tap into the zone, $600 billion zone, $700 billion zone. Like I've said countless times, we might even go beyond that to $1 trillion in market cap for the orders chart, excluding top 10 cryptocurrencies in the crypto space. This is not the time to even consider panic selling at all or losing patience. If you're paying attention, the BTC price on the weekly time frame, BTC has closed the highest weekly candle ever, which is currently, I think it briefly touched $23,000 technically, and is now currently down to $122,000. So by the time BTC cools off, I think, and the BTC dominance start retracing, I think the liquidity should rotate from BTC into our altcoins. Now, if you're paying attention to the total 2 market cap excluding BTC, now the total 2 market cap is currently seated at $1.3 trillion. We are left with 14 hours and 28 minutes until this current daily candle closes. Now, I think we can begin to make more massive move to around $1.4 trillion before getting a retracement from there, maybe back to around $1.28 trillion. The next move from that $1.28 trillion is likely to take us close to this previous high, which was around $1.6 trillion. The moment we are flipping the $1.5 trillion into a support, then we should expect a moonshot above $2 trillion for the total 2 market cap excluding BTC. That's that for that. Please, if you're here to like this video, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. My name is Isaac. Peace out.